Lynn.
Hi, I'm Bobby, and we're from the Chattanooga Public Library. Today we're going to bring food art to the table. And by that, I mean we're going to decorate sugar cookies. Sugar cookies developed probably back in the 1700s up in the New England part of our country, and they trickled down to all over everywhere. Who doesn't love a sugar cookie? So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to decorate the cookies. We have these already pre-made. We have some royal icing that's already pre-made, and you could pipe it, or you could just spread it on with a knife. And we'll also have some sprinkles and things. And then also we'll have a recipe for you to follow later on. So we have some special guests that we would like to introduce you to you today, and they're going to help us out. So we're going to go get them, and we will be right back.
Hi, we're back. This is my daughter Vivian, and I brought my other kids too. So we're going to go around the table and they'll introduce themselves.
Jade, Lucas, Josie,
And this is my special guest.
Jody.
She's my daughter. So today we're going to do some decorating cookies, and I know we have different styles to do. Some of you have piping and some of us have maybe both or sprinkles. So let's get started. Just when you're done with your cookie decorating, I guess you could just show it to us so we'll know what it looks like, so they could get some ideas about what it's all about.
Miss Bobby, I think that some of my people have never piped before. Do you have any suggestions on what they might do when they're doing that? How they might hold the bag? And
Okay, so I have my piping bag here. As you can see, it's a Ziploc bag because I don't have piping, and so you could use that as an alternative. And you want to make sure that the corner is cut off, not very much because you don't want it to leak out. And then you want to kind of squeeze it out and just dribble it onto the cookie, just like that. So let's get started, okay? Have any of you ever done this before?
I've done it once, I believe. Once.
Josie just said it's harder than it looks like on TV.
Yes, it is. I think it takes years and years of practice to be able to get it as good as they do. But it's not an idea to get perfect, it's an idea to just have fun. That's the main thing. And we're creating art at the table. It looks good. So there's my cookie that I decorated with blue frosting. So now I think I'm going to add some sprinkles to it. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see. Just shake it. Shake it, and it looks like that when it's done. Let's see if you can see a close-up picture of it. That's what it looks like. Okay, Jody, how are you doing? I think you need a little bit more frosting on your knife. Do you want me to help you there? Let me get you some more frosting. Here, you hold the cookie. And if your frosting gets hard and doesn't spread very easily, you could add some more water to it to make it a little bit better. You're doing good. You guys are all doing very well. Good job.
I'm making a rainbow. And
You're making a rainbow too?
It's not exactly like my mom's.
Oh, well, that's okay. It could be different. Jody didn't want to hold hers up, but this is Jody's.
Oh, that's cool, Jody. I love that.
I'm making.
You're going to try the blue. She's going to try some piping now.
It's gonna look like a normal rainbow, and then it's gonna have white on it.
Maybe I'll try a rainbow, but I don't have rainbow colors, but I guess that doesn't matter.
Underneath it as a cloud.
Mm-hmm.
And it will. I'm hoping it will look cool.
Gotcha.
I'm making it.
We've got stripes and polka dots and rainbows on Zoom.
Well, that looks good. That looks good.
Okay.
You guys are being very creative. This is what art is all about, is being
That's
creative.
right.
You know?
Yeah.
Who?
Can somebody please pass me the?
Oh, maybe that's pretty. That looks really pretty on camera.
Oh, that looks good. I like the stripes.
I didn't get to see it, baby.
She's got to be blue and then purple.
This has been really fun, though. I think they're all doing a good job.
I do too. Thanks for the inspiration. This has been
You're
awesome.
welcome. Thanks, guys, for joining me in bringing art to the table, or food to the table even, because that's what we just did. You guys are very creative. I appreciate all your input and all your help. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for coming.
Thanks, Bobby. Bye.